Welcome to Mama My Strength's kitchen. Let's cook together. Friends, if you like this video, do subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the bell icon. For chicken chow, following are the ingredients. For this recipe, you can use any noodles of your choice, and if you don't have noodles, you can use any pasta of your choice. Then I have got chicken cut or chopped. I've got some bok choy chopped, seasoning salt, water, oil, oyster sauce, stir fry sauce, bell pepper chopped, ginger garlic paste, onions, carrots. I'm using a non-stick pan here, and I've got two pan here, and the other one is a pot. Again, it's a non-stick pot that I will be using for the noodles, and this is for the chicken. Now here I'm going to add the chicken. Again, just to make sure that there is no water in the chicken, I'm going to place chicken first instead of oil. And you can see that there isn't any water coming out at this stage. Into my chicken, I will be adding following ingredients. Ginger garlic paste. As you can see, I'm not seeing any water at this stage here. And some seasoning salt. Seasoning salt depends on your taste, and if you don't have it, you can add the normal salt. So there goes the seasoning salt. I'm going to add it. And on the other side, I will be boiling the noodles. And if, like I said, if you don't have noodles, you can use any normal pasta. A long straight one will do, not the curly ones. So here goes the noodles. I'm just going to steam it. I will also be adding oil to it, and once it's steamed out and it's nice and soft, I will take it out and drain the water and reuse the pot again for the same noodles. On the other side, I will be now adding oil to my chicken, and at the same time I will make sure that I cook the chicken at slow flame and make sure the chicken is nicely turned into brown color and still remain soft. So you'll notice that from time to time I'm checking the chicken at the same time, and I'm also stirring. Next three items are optional. I've got ginger powder, chili powder and black pepper powder. It depends on your taste. If you wish to add, you can add. So here I'm going to add black pepper, then I will be adding ginger powder. As mentioned, now I'm adding the ginger powder here, and the next ingredients will be the chili powder. These three are the optionals. If you wish to, you can add them. If you don't want to, you don't have to add them. Sometimes if we have kids, we don't want to cook extra spicy food, even though the spices are good for our health. So now I'm going to stir it until it changes its color to golden brown. And please note that we don't want to overcook the chicken. We still want the chicken to be soft. Now you will see that the chicken has changed its color. So now I'm going to add oyster sauce. I'll also be adding the stir fry sauce at the same time and mix these two sauce with the chicken. You can also cover the chicken at this stage so that the sauce doesn't splatter outside. So you can see the chicken is nicely cooked. Now I'm adding water to it and I will slow cook the chicken. We'll cook the chicken until the sauce becomes thickened. Next, we will also be checking onto our noodles, which I have just drained and replaced in the same pot. On the other side, I will add sesame oil to my chicken. Again, it's optional. So you will notice that the gravy has been formed from the two sauce that I have added. Now I will be adding the red bell pepper and the yellow bell pepper together with all other vegetables and just steam it. Here goes in the bok choy. Next will be the onions and then carrots. So now I'm going to mix them with the chicken and I'm going to cover it with the lid and I'm going to steam it. On the other side, I'm going to add some seasoning salt to my noodles and oil. You will notice that my noodles is now dry and is cooked. So I'm going to add the last ingredients, which is spring onions. This is optional. And I will stir it. And I will serve them separately. So you will see my chicken chow mein is now ready to be served.